Faith Group, which was established in 2002, is in the business of manufacturing, marketing, distribution, and after-sales service of medical devices and equipment. Faith Group is dedicated to bring India-centric, innovative technologies to the Indian healthcare market. It constantly works on delighting the customers by providing excellent value-for-money products and outstanding service. The leadership team: Abhinav Kanti. He leads the marketing efforts of the company. Bipin Agrawal. He leads the new product identification effort and manages the finance function of the company. Sundaresan S. He is leading the interventional business and is also responsible for sales in West and South India. Vinay Nehra. He is responsible for sales in North and East India. Vivek Kakkar. Vivek leads the manufacturing and R&D of the company. Hospital-acquired infection. Hospital-acquired infections are defined as infections acquired by the patient inside a hospital. Hospital-acquired infection or nosocomial infections are the leading cause of treatment-related complications. Hospital-acquired infections lead to increased usage of antibiotics, higher morbidity and mortality, longer hospital stay, and higher expenses on healthcare. The Hospital Infection Control Society of India suggests that the hospital-acquired infection rates in India are around 20 to 25%. In other parts of the world, these rates vary between 5 to 30%. Major causes of hospital-acquired infections include contaminated objects and equipments, contaminated air, contaminated surfaces. Faith Group is engaged in manufacturing and marketing cutting-edge technologies which address all these causes of hospital-acquired infections. A variety of items inside a hospital need to be disinfected quickly and repeatedly. These include electromedical equipment like ultrasound machine, Doppler, X-ray, ventilators, dialysis machines, monitors, medical furniture like wheelchairs, patient trolleys, beds, nursing stations, cabinets, curtains, pillows, blankets, high-touch surfaces like door handles, armrests, call buttons, and hard-to-reach surfaces. Unfortunately, hospitals do not have an optimum solution to this problem. Traditional methods are time-consuming, labor-intensive, and require the use of toxic chemicals. Many of the above objects cannot be disinfected at all using traditional methods. But now there is hope. Faith Biotech has introduced SANI system into India. SANI system, a novel steam disinfection system to disinfect all these previously ignored surfaces. SANI system is manufactured by Polti, an Italian multinational specializing in steam-based equipment. It can disinfect all possible surfaces by exposing them to superheated steam at a temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. This superheated steam has very low liquid content, making it absolutely safe for electromedical equipment. It is mixed with HP Med sanitizing solution and delivered at low pressure to achieve disinfection. HP Med reduces the surface tension, exposes the microorganisms to superheated steam, thereby enhancing the killing power of steam. SANI steam kills all types of bacteria, viruses, and fungi within a short contact time of 30 seconds. Mites and bed bugs are also killed by treatment with SANI steam. SANI system can be used on all types of surfaces including metal, plastic, wood, glass and fabric. HP Med solution has also been proven to be safe for all surfaces and non-toxic for humans. Let us now understand the SANI system technology. First of all, potable water with a TDS of around 150 ppm is poured into the water tank. This water automatically reaches the boiler, where it gets heated up to 140 degrees Celsius at a pressure of approximately 5 bar. This steam then travels to the patented disinfector gun. In the disinfector gun, the pressure of steam is reduced and it is superheated to 180 degrees Celsius. A bottle of HP Med sanitizing solution is connected to the bottom part of the disinfector gun. HP Med gets automatically dosed into the superheated steam. This steam is now called SANI steam. All objects can be disinfected within a very short time using SANI steam. SANI steam dries out within a minute. SANI system works as a no-contact system, preventing chances of cross-contamination during the disinfection process. It ensures proper disinfection without using and leaving any toxic chemical residues. SANI system can be used effectively for quick decontamination of infected objects in between surgeries or patients. It can also be used very effectively for decontamination of various equipment which are being shared between departments or patients. SANI systems are being used in operation theaters, ICUs, labor rooms, microbiological laboratories, dressing rooms, radiology, OPD areas, in multi-specialty hospitals, general hospitals, district hospitals, and community health centers. SANI systems are CE certified and have been tested extensively for their efficacy at various laboratories all over the world. SANI system is brought to India by Faith Biotech, an ISO 9001 company which has been recognized as a leader of tomorrow by Economic Times and IndiaMart. So do not compromise with infection. Live infection-free. Use SANI system.